beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rock.
What's up girls, it's ARMANIB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turn any failed wash and go into a cute kinky curly puff, so make sure you jot down everything on this emergency list. And as you can see, my hair is already in a low puff just to keep the gel flakes at bay. You guys remember I did a review on Style Factor's new cherry styling gel, so I'm still working on that old wash and go because I refuse to wash my hair 2 times within a week. So next I'm gonna go ahead and gather my hair to the top of my head and use an ouchless ponytail holder to keep it in place. It needs to be at the very tippy top. You need to look like Dijonay from the Proud Family. Next, I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle filled with water and I'm gonna wet the perimeter of my hair. Like I said on my emergency list, you can use a lightweight spray leave-in, but this time I wanted to use water. So after I get my hair nice and wet, I'm going to use my Bourne bristle brush to get my puff sleek and smooth. This is also going to reactivate the gel from my previous wash and go.
Running the store like it's getting raw. She know I'm coming, she like, oh my gosh. Pulling on her hair.
Next, I'm going to go in with my first styling product, and it's going to be the Wetline Extreme Styling Gel. I'm going in with a generous amount of this styling gel, and you don't have to use Wetline Extreme. If you want to use Eco Styler Gel or any styling gel of your choice, you can. I just prefer Wetline. All you really need to do is smooth the product in. This is going to ensure that your puff comes out super sleek. The next step is going to be using your elastic headband to wrap your puff and tighten it. And once you get your puff placed exactly how you want it, you can tie a knot. Just make sure it's not too tight because it's going to be very hard to unravel. Next, you're going to go ahead and fluff your puff with an afro pick just to give it extra volume. This step is very important to me because I feel like this is what gives your puff height. Everyone always asks me, oh my gosh, is your puff real? And this is why. It makes your puff look super big and dramatic. Last but not least, my favorite part, I'm going to go ahead and style my edges, and the first product I'm using is a new edge control from Eco Styler, and this is their Play and Stay Black Caster 48-hour edge control. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this edge control did not even work for 24 hours, but it's okay because I always go in with a layer of Got To Be Invincible styling gel, and that helps to keep my edges in place. And of course, my styling tool of choice is going to be an edge brush. If you want to use a toothbrush, it doesn't matter. I do not discriminate. Toothbrushes definitely get the job done. I just like this edge brush because it has very hard bristles and it also has a mini comb on the end, and it really helps to get my edges nice and sleek because my hair is super duper thick. And you don't want to forget to get your nape. The front of your hair is gonna look good, of course, but you don't want to forget the back. You gotta get that nice and sleek. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a lot of hair on my nape, so I have to go to work back there. We gotta get that kitchen looking good. And like I said a few moments ago, I'm gonna go in with a layer of Got To Be Invincible styling gel.
People trying to say I'm only enemy. Got a code with my dogs, can't get in between. I can give them life, no more energy.
So the last step is going to be wrapping my hair with a satin scarf. This is completely optional, but to me this step is important, and I'm not going to remove this scarf until the gel is completely dry and my edges are set. So this is the finished result. I got this puff done in under 15 minutes and it's super cute. I always do this with any failed wash and go and it always works. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.